Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of the weekend edition. Weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, August the 24th, 25th, 2024. It's today, August the 25th. Sunday, yes, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. Yes. 4 star Sudoku number 9152. 9152. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, truly 24 printed digits. That's truly 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 3 2s. 2 3s. 4 4s. Well. How about 5 2 5s? No 6s. 4 7s. All right. 3 8s and 3 9s. So the 4s and the 7s are a majority. Can I start with the 4? No. Well, how about the 7 then? 7, 7, 7. No. What's happening? What's happening? Well. The 8 there. Ay. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 7 here. Need a 1, 7, need a 6, need a 5. Interesting. 5. 5 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in the middle row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 4 4. 4. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in the middle column. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Shoot it in. 4. I'm thinking. Need a 4 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next on the last column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Need a 2 here. 3, 4, 5. Need a 6 here. Need a 8 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, we have a 2 and 8 in this big square. So no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number 6. 9, 7. 1, 3, 4. Yeah. Need a 6, need a 4, need a 3. Well, need a 2 here. Yeah. Need a 9 here. Need an 8 here. Need a 1 here. So need a 1 there. I think the 1 should be here. In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in the second row, no 1 there. And there can be a 1 because we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 in the middle column should be here then. 1, 1, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1 and 2. 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes in there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there. Cannot continue with a 4. How about the 7 then? 7. Still cannot continue with the 7. Well, need a 7 there. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. How about here? The 1, 2, 3, and the 9. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers to 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. Need a 9 here. And I need a 3 there. Okay. Need a 3 there. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in the first row, so no 3 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in this big square. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 7 goes there. So 7. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row. Oh, we have a pair. The 1 and the 7 in the first row. The 1 and 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1, 1. Well, we have a pair again. The 1 and the 3 in this column. The 1 and the 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 and the 3 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. And look, we have 1 and 3 in this row. No 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Then 2, 8, 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for 8 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers to 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers to 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2, and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. So we have a 6 in one of these 3 boxes in the first row. So this box can be 6 in the more. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left now in the second row for numbers to 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so here we have a 2, here we have a 2, so that means we need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Okay, but these 3 missing numbers, 1, 2, and a 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9. No. 6, 3, and 4 is missing here. Need a 4 there. Need a 1 here. 2, 3, 4. Need a 5 there. Yeah, we have a pair. The 1 and a 5 in this row. The 1 and a 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 is left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing here. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big row for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. The 3 here. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 8. How about here? These 2 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. Well. Need a 5 here. That means yeah, we need a 5 in this row. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 5, here we have a 5. That means that this box can be a 5 anymore in this column. So the only place left for the 5 in the second column should be there then. Yeah. Here can be 5. We need a 5 in the second column. Here can be 5 because we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. The only place left for the 5 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright. 6 in this column. 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 to 6. We have a 6 now in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Okay. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9. Okay. Let me think. Need a 2 here, need a 4 here. Need the 7s. We have them all. We have a pair here. Well, we need a 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 5 is a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Then in the 6 here, need a 2. In this column, the last column, we need a 2. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. So the only place left with 2 in the last column should be here then. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. That means these two missing numbers should be the 5 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. 4 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 and a 3, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 8, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 and an 8, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final two numbers, 1 and a 3, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well, surprise. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.